Hi everyone, your girl Kimm Brown here to give you confidence by looking your best on and or off the camera. So today it is all about liner. Liner on hooded eyes. How can we make them just stand out, look their best, and not look so droopy? If that is your problem, tune in here today, watch this video. It's not very long. And I'm going to use a fabulous fall liner. See you in a few minutes. Hi, I'm going to just kind of narrate this. As you see, I'm using a beautiful fall liner. It is a brand new in one of our collections that just came out, and it is very, very simple. It glides on, it has its own applicator, and this beautiful metallic liner, it is a copper color. It goes perfectly with my eye color. Because of my hooded eyes, I keep it very thin, and so I love this applicator because you can get it as thin or thick as you want. I will give myself, I guess you could call it a little bit of a wing, but I draw my liner up in the air only because it helps lift my eye. And it will also allow you to see the liner. Very often you'll see that I don't normally wear liner. This particular time I did, and I absolutely love that metallic copper liner. It looks fabulous. I am going to finish with some mascara. So if you love what you see and you would like to see more, definitely subscribe. And check my description down below. It'll have that liner and where you can get it and how you can get it.